Today we're gonna do buchi or shakoy. So here's the ingredients that we're gonna do. Okay. So first you pour this one. 1 cup of water. Okay. Next. What's next?
I don't know.
Next is this one.
Gimme. I want to add the milk. I want to add the milk, Mama. Okay?
Wait, yeah, you're gonna add the milk. You cut it first.
Two. That's two.
Okay, here. 1.
Okay, and then where can you put this?
Just put in the side.
Here?
So 2. Perfect. So 2. So next one is 3/4 cups of
And then
sugar.
pick up this.
1/3 cup of sugar.
Mama, can you just add that?
No, wait lang.
Okay.
So 1/3 cup of
Pass me,
sugar.
okay? Pass me.
Wait lang. Excited much?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
Not too much.
3/4 cup of sugar.
Okay.
And then,
Tap.
sige, tak. Like that. Okay, next.
It's melting.
Yeah, it's okay. So next one is 1 tablespoon of baking powder.
Mama, it's basa na.
It's okay. 1 tablespoon of baking powder.
Pass me. What's that?
It's okay. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Because we don't have a dry yeast, we substitute the dry yeast to baking powder.
Gimme. Tap. I want tap.
And after that, vanilla. So this one.
It's not melting, Mama.
Later.
Yay.
So,
Mama.
1 tablespoon of this
Gimme.
one. Uy, no more na to vanilla. Okay, next. Done? Next one is done. It's okay. The next one is salt.
Salt. I'm gonna add
So,
salt.
pinch of salt.
Me. Gimme.
Just a pinch of salt. Put in salt.
Pinch. Salt. And be
There you
careful.
go. And next,
Who's that?
egg. You're
Who's
gonna
that?
crack the egg.
Me. Mama, together, Ma. Together.
You're gonna crack the egg.
Together.
One egg.
Together.
Wait, sir. Okay.
Oh, chapa.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh!
And wash your hands.
Tapo yung may sinin.
Wash your hands.
Tapo yung may sinin na.
So after that, mix.
Gimme.
Magbutang patag oil.
Okay. Let me mix first. Let's let me know to stop, Mama, okay?
Yeah. For the oil, 1/2 cup.
Oh, it's going to well. Mama, can you add that?
Wait lang, nangita ako sa 1/2. Dibaon na lang natin. For the oil, 1/2 cup of
Mom,
rice.
I'm done stirring. Can you
Wait.
get this?
Wait, sa.
Woo!
Okay.
Woo!
Okay, another one.
Another one? Here.
Okay.
Bibo. Bibo.
next one. What's the next? 3 cups of all-purpose flour. 3 cups of all-purpose flour.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay.
Mama.
You're done on mixing it.
What's that, Papa?
1. You hold. Hold. Wait, isa na yun.
Here.
1, like that. Wait.
Hey. I'm holding. I'm so strong to this.
Iubos gamay.
Here,
Please.
like this.
Ay pala bigtaas. Kaya mabuhian mo.
Ah.
Down.
Here.
2.
Ah! It's getting
Last.
lower.
Bugat na na.
At Ma! Ma, can you help me?
Ate, help her good ate.
Yeah, okay. Easy. Not that. Ma!
It's okay.
Ma! I'm dirty.
Okay, so 3 cups. Okay, sige.
Ma!
Okay.
That's yours, Ma?
We use this one para faster.
Yeah. Keep holding. Keep Mama holding.
So, you, dara. Mix. Hindi man kayo ba mix?
Mama, can you help me now?
It's okay.
You're gonna get
Hindi mo ko
on the side. Uh-oh. Give me tomato.
Okay.
Mama.
Both of us, magbutang ng oil. Sige, yan na. Rub your hands.
Ready? I can use your wipey. You can adjust this and one you're going to make it. Okay.
Doon. Layo pa
I
din.
cannot move because you can basket up. I have oil in my hands. Okay. Mama. You have anyone to touch?
Okay, we did wash our hands. Put some oil on it para di mag-sticky.
Yeah. Mama, I want to help.
You're playing only.
Ma, like this. I'll mix it. Order.
Ah.
No.
Okay.
Do it. No.
Wait, excuse me, sa. Excuse me,
Okay.
sa. Okay. Ito mo humanan eh.
Oh, it's making dough. It's making dough. Wata.
Okay, mo ni makadako sa braso.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Mo ni makadako sa braso.
Daddy.
Need na ni mo. Dako kaya tong braso. Oops. Ayun na. Mama will do the thing.
Okay. Mama, tell me kung add more baking powder.
No need.
Okay?
Awa. Wait.
Mama, can you help?
So, you're gonna do like this.
Mama, can you help?
And we will wait for 2 hours to rest the dough.
We wait here.
Yeah, we wait. Huh?
Gonna wait
So we're
here.
gonna put a bit oil. We grease a bit oil here. Para mualsa ang atong dough.
Let's stick in, Mama.
Not sticky na. So this is the consistency.
Mama, we're gonna
Then
just
we're gonna wait
Mama,
for
I want to turn it.
later.
okay.
Later.
We're gonna
So we're
tabang
gonna-
ko ni mo, ha.
Yeah.
Nawa. Nadaba ko. Nakita na ko.
So, humok na siya, oh.
Humok na.
Humok na.
And
But
put it
need
the
pa ni siya paalsahon. So, we put here.
That's
There you
right.
go. So, we will wait for this to...
Put
There you go. Atong i-wait na mo, Elsa. See? Wait.
this.
Khaleesi will cover a cloth. This one. And we were gonna rest this for how many hours?
2
2 hours.
Like
Okay?
this?
And then see you later
Like
after
this?
2 hours.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.